Sagittarius Lagna and the third bhava or the third house. The third bhava of Sagittarius Lagna falls in Aquarius, the 11th sign from the Kala Pursha, which is a promise of gain of the third house Karatattva or third house significations. Aquarius is a fixed airy sign, and Sagittarius natives have a very fixed big desire or a big goal, and therefore their efforts are entirely dependent upon the influences of the other planets on the third house or on the third lord, since the sign is an airy sign. Since the third house is also the Kala Purusha's 11th house, they get gains with less or little efforts, or we can say that they work smart and not hard. In this chart, the third house of Aquarius is aspected by the third lord Saturn and is aspected by Mars. Therefore, the native will have the energies of the Mars and the persistence of the third lord Saturn to achieve their desires, put efforts to achieve their goals. Saturn placed in the 9th house of Bhagya, which shows the promises of the third house activities, desires, parakrama, travel, sibling, is a promise or is blessed. The third house of Saturn is in the 10th amsha in the Navamsha. Therefore, parakrama, Lord, is in karma amsha, therefore giving activities to the karma of the native. Or we can say Saturn in the 10th amsha will allow the native to put efforts in karma, or self-efforts will motivate the 10th house of employment. If this video is helped, do subscribe. Next, we will see Capricorn Lagna and the third house of Pisces.